look back. Would you see life? And would you see it right? If you look back 10 years from now, would you see life? Would you see life? Would you see it right? In the time of your life, these are times of a life. These are times of your life. If you look back, if you look back 10 years from now, would you see life? Would you see life? You get right. In the time of your life. Time up. In the time of your life. I look back and I see me as a kid. In the second step of evolution. Right now I am a man. And the next step is being that man. Coming as a god, feeling like he's a god. Shit, he smoke stank, not fart shit. But it is a real ass cut shit. Mary Jane coasting, you know we burn it. And for what they talking about. Niggas really run their mouth. They don't really be talking about. Not a damn thing that's important now. Nigga gossiping and all that bullshit going around. That's that shit made for the common mind. I'm a supernatural, uncommon being. I think I'm celestial type of nigga. How I'm seeing, niggas ain't seeing. The realest type of nigga know how he seeing. That's what I keep, man. That's what I be, man. My wordplay so outrageous. Niggas know stay in their places. Like I stay in my cage, man. Man, I've been locked up too long. I look back and I see it wrong. If you look back 10 years from now, would you see right? Would you see right? Would you see right? Looking back at the time of your life, times of your life, at the times of your life, the times of your life, times of our life. These are times of our life. These are times of our life. Hey, would you see like you were getting right? That's all I did. That's why I used to keep it back tight. That bitch was full of money and that bitch was full of crack. Fuck that shit, man. I was ready to go. On my toes like 10 on the road. Till 12 come, then you know that I'm gone. Like it's smoke in the wind. You see me now, but you don't see me then. Soon as they come up, I'm gone in the wind. Gotta be 1 or 2 steps ahead. Then you gotta know how the fuck a nigga play. If you look back, would you see right? I wouldn't see right. Looking at step right. Cause I been a stepchild. You know I want destined to be right. You know I want destined to live life favorable like his type. Fuck that, nigga, I'm God's favorite night. I don't give a fuck, everything divine. If you look back at times of your life, would you see it right?